Congressman Jokno, you may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May we know from the Committee Secretary, Mr. Chair, if Mr. Lawrence Lupiano is here from Centerways?
He said he is present and I can see him there. Will you interpolate, Mr. Lupiano?
Yes,
Congressman Jokno?
Your Honor. May we ask him
Yeah,
to take
Mr.
a seat?
Lupiano, can take a seat, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May we also verify if Mr. Lupiano has already been placed under oath?
We confirm that he has taken his oath earlier together with the other contractors, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Kayo po ang presidente ng Centerways Construction and Development Incorporated, Mr. Lupiano.
Yes po.
Kailan pa po kayo naging pangulo ng kumpanyang yan?
Since 2009 po.
So you are familiar with the government contracts that your company has entered into since
Yes
the
po.
time you are a president?
Yes po.
More or less since 2022 hanggang ngayon po, mga ilan ang government contracts ng Centerways as far as you know?
Sa pag-government po, yung na mga nabid po namin, nasa, I think, from 2022 to 2020, nasa 80 po.
More or less
Yes
around
po, more or
80 projects.
Yes po.
Thank you. Saan lugar itong mga proyektong ito?
More on Bicol po.
Bicol.
Yes.
Where in Bicol specifically, sir?
Sorsogon, Your Honor.
Meron kayo sa Sorsogon.
Yes po.
Meron din po kayo sa ibang mga lugar sa Bicol?
Yes po. Depende po sa napapanalunan namin po sa bidding.
Can you recall the places aside from Sorsogon?
May Kamsur din po. May depende po sa napapanalunan po namin. Pero mostly in Bicol po.
Yes, you have some in Albay. Is that correct?
Yes po, yes po. At 2001, I think.
Some in Camarines Sur.
Yes po, yes po.
Also some in other provinces like Cebu and Masbate.
Yes po. Yes
Now, of those 5 places you mentioned, Albay, Camarines Sur, Cebu, Masbate, and Sorsogon, alin po doon ang pinakamaraming government contract ang Centerways?
Your Honor, sa Sorsogon po.
Sorsogon,
Yes po.
out of the 80 plus or more or less projects, how many do you have in Sorsogon?
Pwede ko po i-check sa record nila.
But
To be exact.
ballpark figure, sabi nyo, ang pinakamarami ay doon sa Sorsogon.
Yes po. Siguro mga 30 po, Your Honor. I think. More or less.
I was checking the website of Sumbong sa Pangulo.
Yes po.
Ang nakita ko po doon, umaabot yata ng around 50, 53. Can you confirm that, please?
Hindi ko po sure. I-check ko po, Your Honor.
But you're sure that most of your projects came from or are located in Sorsogon?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Now, you were named as, let me just rephrase that question. Meron po ba kayong kamag-anak, asawa, o kaya kapamilya na nasa gobyerno ngayon?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Sino po sila? At ano ang kanilang posisyon?
Po?
Sino po sila? Yung sinasabi niyong kamag-anak ninyo.
Kapatid ko po, Your Honor.
And what is his position in government?
Mayor po, ngayon. Sa isang bayan sa Sorsogon po.
Saan po?
Sa Sorsogon.
Sa Sorsogon. Aside from your brother or is that sister?
Wala po akong sister.
Sino pa po? Maliban
Brother
doon?
ko po, city councilor din po. Sa Sorsogon.
Maliban doon sa dalawang nabanggit ninyo, meron pa ba kayong ibang kamag-anak
Wala na po.
nasa government?
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, wala na po.
How about business partners? Do you have any business partners who are in government?
Wala po, Your Honor.
In the last elections, last two cycles of elections, 2022 and 2025, kayo po ba ay nagbigay ng donasyon sa sino man na kumandidato, whether local or national, sa huli mga eleksyon?
2022, Your Honor?
Yes.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kanino po yun?
Kay Senator Cheese po.
Senator Cheese Escudero.
Yes po.
Aside from Senator Escudero, may I know if there have been other candidates for either national or local positions that you gave donations to?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
And more or less, magkano po daw ang inyong na-donate sa kampanya ni Senator Cheese?
30 million po.
30 million pesos. Yes, this was during the time that you already had government projects. Is that right?
Ano po? Sorry, Your Honor.
Noong panahon na yun, ay kayo ay meron ng mga proyekto o kontrata sa gobyerno.
Yes po, since 2009 po.
Thank you. No more questions, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Your Honor, personally ko po donation or nag-donate po ako kay Senator Cheese yung 30 million. Hindi po galing sa company yon, galing po yun sa akin as a personal individual. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Congressman Diokno. Next to interpolate is